So my new Gundams. Stray Black and Catco petite guy, which I actually already had, but I was stupid and told Jay. Well, I insisted to Jay that I didn't have it already, but I did. So I think I'm gonna customize this guy to be like Cat Noir. This beautiful, cute frame arms girl. Like, look at the size of this box, for one thing. Unicorn Gundam Destroy Mode, SD. Fate Order Girl. Fate Grand Order. Another Fate Grand Order girl, I think. Or just the boy. One of them is a... This is definitely a girl. But there is a boy one coming out. And then... Now, keep in mind, this is how big this frame arms girl is. Look how big the motorcycle girl is. She is the size of this entire box. Give you a reference, I'll put this on there to compare. That's huge. I cannot believe. I'm pretty sure this is my biggest kit I've ever had. To be fair, it's a girl and a bike, so like... Oh my god. This is the biggest kit I've ever had. But I had to though. The red motorcycle. Oh my gosh. Huge. Very cute.